If you fit it correctly, it should automatically go while you type. So if I want to type something like freely, it automatically pulls. You don't need to pull. I N K Y. I did not yet find a space, so I am using dot as you can see, and then you can do cut. If you press and hold, it does it like this. So you get a strip like this, and it automatically cuts. There is a cut symbol as well, and it is a sticky. You get this one, and if you want to cut the dots, you can cut the dots and paste it somewhere like that. That's it. That's how this works. You can fit it like this, and this automatically goes in. You just need to fit it properly. Press this and insert, it will fit there. That's it. Thank you.